Age range. Recommended for ages 3. For the Spider-Man fan, toy bin features colorful graphics of Spider-Man. Durable construction. Made of engineered wood, solid wood and fabric. Size. Assembled dimensions, 24.61, LX 11.81, WX 26.57, H. Easy assembly. Tons of storage. 6 fabric bins in 3 sizes provide storage for toys big and small. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect toy storage. Purchased this for our baby boy Parker's nursery to hold all the random baby toys we are collecting. It's got plenty of space. Took about 5 minutes to assemble. So far seems sturdy. The pictures and colors are vibrant. Came with sticker sheets my older boy enjoyed as well.